Set up Whalebone alerts and get live updates about what's going on with your resolvers, how secure your network is, and how well your DNS resolution works. The basic setup is simple. Just choose what type of information you want to get and how often you want to be alerted. You can get alerts via email or Slack. You can also integrate Whalebone alerts into your systems through webhooks or syslog. We would argue that everyone should at least create alerts for the status of the resolver, resolution, and the server it runs on. Make sure to start by setting up alerts for resolution failures. Afterwards, set up alerts for hardware resource failure, such as insufficiencies concerning the HDD, RAM, or CPU capacity. You can also monitor failures in communication between the resolver and the Whalebone cloud when the resolution works just fine, but the resolver isn't in sync with Whalebone data centers. You can even create advanced alerts for DNS traffic and security incidents. We will gladly give you a hand with setting advanced alerts, no matter if it's during the introductory technical consultation at the end of the trial or anytime you decide to contact Whalebone support.